Hello people, this is Ridhima here and welcome back to my YouTube channel Gaining Grades. So guys, as you all know, we are learning the series Basics of Accounting for Standard 11th and 12th, and I already uploaded some videos about the series. First video is about meaning and definition of accounting, and the second video is about the characteristics of accounting. So this is the third part of the series Basics of Accounting, on which we are going to learn the qualitative characteristics of accounting. So without wasting any time, let's start the video and focus on the video. Okay guys, as you can see here, I have mentioned all four qualitative characteristics. First is reliability, then relevance and understandability, and the last is comparability. So we will start from the first one, which is reliability. Reliability implies that the accounting information which is to be presented, it should be truthful, accurate, complete and capable being verifiable. Which means the accounting information should be reliable, it should not be biased, and it should be free from the all material errors and should be verificable also. Verificable means the accounting information should be verificable by the other sources, by the third parties. So this is the reliability. So the next qualitative characteristic is relevant. Relevance implies that the accounting information should be useful, and the accounting information must be assist a user for decision making. Decisions like, should I invest on the same business organization, should I lend money to this business organization, or should I work with the same business organization. So the accounting information should have the quality of relevance so that the users can take decisions for investment, for lending money in the same organization, and for working in the same organization. So if the users are able to take decisions like this, then we can say that a good accounting information have the quality of relevant. So the third qualitative characteristic is understandability. Understandability implies that the expressions with clarity, which means the accounting information should be presented in such a way so that the users are able to understand it clearly. Which means the accounting information should be clearly presented so that the users can understand this on an easy way. It should be simple and systematically presented in front of the users. Users who are generally to have a reasonable knowledge of business organization and economic activities. That is why the accounting information should be presented in such a way so that the users can understand this easily and clearly. So it should be a good accounting information. When it will be good accounting information? When it will be understandable by the users easily. So the last qualitative characteristic is comparability. Comparability means the ability for users. The users should be able to compare the accounting information of similar companies but in the same industry group, and they are able to make the comparison of performance over time, which means the accounting information should be able to compare by the users in the same company of previous year results, and the information also should be able to compare with the other companies also but in a same industry group. So it should be easily comparable by the users. Then we can say that the accounting information have the qualitative characteristics of comparability. There is two kind of comparability. When we are able to compare the accounting information of our company with our previous year results, then it should be called as a intra-firm. And when we are able to compare the accounting information of our companies but with the other companies, but with the other firms, but in a same industry group, then it is called as a inter-firm. So these are the two type of comparability. First is the intra-firm, second is the inter-firm. I hope you all understood the whole concept of qualitative characteristics. First is the reliability, in which we have discussed that the accounting information should be reliable, should be true and fair. And the second one is relevance, in which we have discussed that accounting information should be relevant and useful for the users for decision making. And third one is understandability. Understandability means the accounting information should be easily understandable by the users so that they can have the reasonable knowledge of accounting information for the business organization and economic activities. And the last one is comparability. Comparability means they should be able to compare the accounting information of our same company but with the previous year and the other firm also in the same industry. So these are the four qualitative characteristics. I hope you all understood the concept of qualitative characteristics, but if you have any queries regarding this, so you can text me on the comment section, and if you like the content, so you can tap to the black thumb and make it blue, and also do not forget to subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload my new videos. And we will meet soon on my next video lecture session. Till the time, keep gaining grades.